Hi, so this is Oshini and Siddhant, and today we'll be discussing the topic of vectors and scalars for Physics 3A Extra Credit 1. Oshini will be working with the problems as I describe the logic behind the work shown. So let's start with a definition of vectors and scalars. A vector is a quantity that has a direction and magnitude attached to it. Examples of a vector include velocity and acceleration. On the other hand, a scalar is a quantity that only has magnitude but doesn't have any direction associated with it. Examples of a scalar quantity are mass and volume. Let's look at a simple example to help with the visualization of this topic. Here's a coordinate plane with a vector and a line drawn. Both the vector and the line have the same length, indicating that they have the same magnitude, which is a value of 3. However, the arrow on the vector indicates that it has a direction attached to its magnitude, while the line simply has a magnitude attached to it. As a result, the vector would be a magnitude of 3 in the direction of the positive x-axis, while the scalar would simply just have a magnitude of 3. As a real-world example, you can look at a car moving at 50 meters per second towards the stop sign. The speed of the car would be a scalar quantity, and that scalar quantity would have a magnitude of 50 meters per second. However, when looking at the velocity, you have to assume that one direction is positive while the other direction is negative. In this case, we assume that the direction towards the stop sign is considered positive. As a result, the velocity of the car would be positive 50 meters per second, meaning that the speed of 50 meters is in the direction towards the stop sign. On the other hand, if the car were to move away from the stop sign at 50 meters per second, its velocity would be negative 50 meters per second. This helps associate the movement of the car with the direction that it's going in, which is away from the stop sign. As a result, the velocity is negative. The speed, however, which continues to be a scalar value, would have a magnitude of 50 meters per second. Because speed is scalar, the direction that the car is moving in does not affect its measurement. As a result, in both examples, the speed continues to be the same value while the velocity changes in sign. This is all from us. Thank you, and yep.